Hello guys and welcome to weekly outlook here on pound USD. We've got euro USD, we've got gold, USDCAD here, and DXY. Quickly starting off with pound USD, last week I anticipated a continuation to the upside after a break of price above 1.3585 regions here, and basically we did not close above that region. We came into this region, but I feel like this is a long retest because obviously from here we can see a higher high, higher low, higher high, and this is possibly a higher low, probably coming into these regions here of 1.3420. So I'm going to draw a line here, okay, and kind of like extend it this way. So yeah, what I'll be anticipating at market open is to either see price come into this region, reject, and then continue back to the upside, or if price breaks below back into these regions here, then we might actually see price try to sell. So this is as simple as it is. We've seen price break above this region. I see this as a pullback into this region, but it looks like an overextension, and we want to see some rejection patterns here and a continuation to the upside to at least see price come back to the regions of 1.3775 regions here. Yeah. That said, if we go into euro USD, it's quite similar. This is why I anticipated that kind of market in pound USD, because euro USD is kind of correlating. So we've seen price above here, and this looks like a retest, but it looks better than pound USD in terms of the overextension. So what I'll be anticipating is to actually see price just create some kind of rejection around here and continue to the upside. Yeah, that's more like what I'll be looking out for. Let me take this line off or just leave it there. So basically this here I could bring down to this region here. Let's just leave it that way. Yeah, something like this. Okay, all right, let's see what happens. Okay, I just need a continuation, but in terms of sales, let me see if this upward trend line makes any sense. Kind of does. Really kind of does. Let me see. I'll just leave it that way. Basically, yeah, if we need to start selling, I would like to see price selling below 1.1715. So maybe like a break of price, kind of like into this region here, pull back into these regions, and then maybe we could start looking for sell opportunities. But I'm still very much bullish here on euro USD. And then gold, we've seen a break of price above here, and this looks like the retest, so I'd like to adjust this, and yeah, let's just adjust it this way. So a continuation to the upside is already happening. Let's just say we will need a new high to be created, so a break of price above this one, and I will look for opportunities to continue the buys. So more or less a break of price here, we'll continue buying. If price comes back to break these regions, then we'll be very confident to see price retest these regions of 3540 or into 3500 itself. So this is that for gold. And then USDCAD played out really nice last week, and I could just call this what it is, and we're already currently selling, and my anticipation will be a continuation of price, and to see price break below these regions of 1.3726, we'll have a retest of that region and maybe a continuation of sell positions down here. Buy opportunity will definitely be above here, but that would be a possibility that price would fluctuate or range within these regions here. And finally here on DXY, I'm anticipating price to reject here. It's rejected before, so I'm anticipating a continuation to the downside simply from this region here, and possibly break and retest to continue to the downside towards 96. The only reason I'll consider some bullish momentum will be if price comes above this region here, then we might retest 98 again. And if price continues to reject here and sell, then we'll be looking for the buy opportunities here for pound USD and buy opportunities for euro USD. Now let's see how price will play out. I'll see you guys for a recap during the weekends, and ciao.